Welcome to TBG Bake Off without a recipe. Okay. I am Chef Raj, and today we are baking a jam tart. The only difference is I don't know how to bake it. Before we start the video, there's a link in the description of this video I want you to click, because that heads straight to a donation page where you can donate to the NHS. That's what this is all for. So smash that link in the description and let's start baking.
So Easter's tasked me with making a rainbow cake. He gave me ingredients and that, but I'm this good at making cakes, I don't even need any of that. Hello? Hello, what are you doing?
Where to start? Well, I don't know. Jam. We've got caster sugar, got plain flour, icing sugar, and then salt was on there. It's gonna taste like the bloody Red Sea. Because jam's red!
Hey! Hey! Self-raising flour for cakes and sponges! You want mate? You want mate? Oh, oven, we need to put the oven on.
Hello?
Mum, which oven do I use?
What's this, baking tray? It should work for a jam tart.
You're making one jam tart.
One big giant jam tart. Easy peasy. Forgot the eggs. Thank the Lord it's free range. Because animal cruelty is a no-no. I have no idea how many eggs I'm supposed to do. Let's start baking the cake. That sounds like a song. Baking the cake.
Baking the cake and it smells so good like bacon. I don't know why they hating. Turn the oven down and baking, making money for the NHS, just like Third Time Lucky said. Baking the cake and the making the bread, it's TBG, keep a name in your head. Shout out Jaden G and Tom GW, Liam Bedford too, that's constant W's. Back in lockdown, don't phase us, got a game a lot now. Life's going great, I got Nike socks now. Back to the cake, it's trying to bake it. Wow, I'm baking the cake and it smells so good like bacon. I don't know why they hating. Turn the oven down, I'm baking the cake and hand on the bread that I'm making. To the NHS we're taking all the money, get donating.
Why is Harry wearing a bicycle helmet?
Everything gonna be alright. Just feel the consistency.
Feels like pancake mix gone wrong.
She's left me.
This just isn't working. I mean, look at it.
Silver spoon sugar. Just to test that it is sugar. I feel alright. That is sugar. Actually. So, quantity of sugar in here. Jam tart, very sweet. Yes! The consistency is true! Little victory dancing, little victory dance.
Oh, I'm pleasantly surprised. That smells like cake. What does that mean?
Oh, you're gonna burn the cake.
Have you ever heard of a crunchy cake? No? Well, this is TBG. You're gonna hear it one.
Hang on. There's only one thing to do here. What's that? I'm about to clean that. Oh my god. There's the unsalted butter that I needed a long time ago. Do I have to melt it? I'm pretty sure that's supposed to go in right at the start. Butter! Oh my god! 250 grams, so I reckon half it. That's
Lovely cushion header.
The cakes are done. I want a little crunch on them, you know, a little bit of sauce. Look at that bit of goodness. Look at that. Is that not impressive? I'll decorate it and then I'll get back to you.
Behold! Butter henge. Yeah?
Oh no, that smells terrible. Wait.
That smells really bad. I do not condone what I've just done. Oh my god. What the hell? What's the science behind that? Mark my words, guys. This is going to be... What? What has happened there? We're going to put jam in there after this bit's cooked a little bit. That's good.
There is my sponge. And the sponge cake should be soft and bouncy. Mine, it's like a biscuit, really. Hey! This still doesn't look too bad.
Well, this is a sad, sad place to be right now. Because, I mean, look in the oven. Let's see how it's doing. 2 minutes in.
Oh,
What happened?
you didn't put the bottom on
Why is
properly.
it dripping? Wait! How has this gone so
Let's just look at What?
It's going in there. We're making a rectangle. Hey, Google, set your alarm for 10 minutes, please.
10 p.m. Setting your alarm.
Google, what the hell, man? That's 4 hours away.
According to vocabulary.com, in many parts of the world, mum is also a nickname for your mother, and it's also a nickname for the flower called a chrysanthemum.
Hey! Hey! That doesn't look bad.
Looks like a biscuit.
Bread.
You have to hold your nose, Mum. It's cake.
Is it though?
Oh, she's. I can't believe you've done that. That's alright.
Why is it like a massive jammy dodger? Oh, that's good.
Sprinkle some icing sugar on the top. Might look okay.
Well, let's show my mother. She's talking already.
Bread and thrown up tomato jam.
I spent 2 hours on this and she just said it looks like sick.
The flavour's actually not too bad. I think you have actually created something new.
Really? So, thank you for watching. The link is in the description if you want to donate to the NHS. They've done a very good job for the past year with the coronavirus thing going on. They've been bossing it. Help them out. Donate some money. Trying to hit 250 quid. We may have hit it already. I don't know though. This has been TVG. Subscribe to us. And thank you for watching The Bacon.
Baking the cake and it smells so good like bacon. I don't know why they hating. Turn the oven down and bacon, making money for the NHS, just like Third Time Lucky said. Baking the cake and making the bread. It's TBG, keep a name in your head. Shout out Jaden G and Tom GW.